What's up guys, welcome back to our second YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about welded diffs. For example, drift cars, race cars. In a normal diff, a rear-wheel drive car for example, when it turns, both wheels will turn independently. In a welded diff, they will always spin at the same speed. And the advantage of the open diff is it's really good for daily driving. No issues, you don't have to be scared if you floor it or send it accidentally. The back end won't kick out. In a welded diff, it will skip a lot in corners if it's tight, that is. In the rain, you can't go that fast because the back will try to kick out. If you want to weld your diff, you should literally check your entire drive track, suspension components, anti-roll bar, if they have wear and tear or axis wear and tear or damage, replace everything, and then you should weld the diff. It will be cheaper if it doesn't break in the long run than breaking let's say next month or something. The pros are you get off the line faster, that's if you're going in a straight line, but in corners you probably have to go slower than everyone else unless you know what you're doing, because welded diff, they were back in the days, they were using it for time attack costs because it's a cheaper route compared to LSD, and welded diffs are also more predictable than LSDs. For off the line it's quick, for corners I would say you gotta be careful. And yeah, parking, major issue, especially when you're reversing, the car will skip like crazy, tight turns as well. And yeah, if you got park cars you will know it squeaks. The difference between LSD and the welded diff, the LSD will always be like an open diff when you're not hard on it, but when you put your foot down the diff will lock up and act like a welded diff. So if you have that much money to spend on the welded diff, most people don't, you should go for welded diff. It's safer, saves the tires, less stress on the suspension components, drivetrain, yeah, and probably worth it for the long run. Don't do tight corners, take it wide, don't throw it unless you want to. And before you get it done, I would say check all the drivetrain, subframe for example, as well on the E46. Don't put major strain on the subframe. If you want to do drifting, then welded diff is probably a really good option because it's cheaper and it makes the car more predictable when you're drifting, because LSD will take time to lock up and sometimes it doesn't even lock up properly. Yeah, in that aspect, welded diff is probably the best route. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked this video, leave a like and comment. If you guys are new here, please subscribe. If you're already subscribed, please turn on the notification so you guys will be notified for any future videos. Make sure you guys follow us on Instagram and TikTok. The links will be in the description below. Thanks guys for watching, and I hope I catch you guys on the next video. This is so hot, man.